There's expected clean, and then there's clean like you've never seen. Zep takes clean to the next level. Get longer-lasting results when you use Zep's stain-resistant floor sealer for Step 2 of our 4-step floor maintenance process. This pro-trusted solution is formulated to enhance gloss, polish, longevity, and stain resistance when applied before polishing with Zep floor polishes. Pour sealer in a bucket or mop. Apply in a continuous figure 8 motion and wait 30 minutes to dry. Follow with one of Zep's floor polishes and neutral pH floor cleaner for optimal results. One look at the results and you'll know why for over 80 years pros have trusted Zep to do the job on a wide variety of surfaces. Go beyond what you thought was possible with our complete line of hard floor maintenance products. Discover results that get talked about with Zep Next Level Clean.